All right, let's look at this question. WASSCE 2024 September edition. The volume of a cone is 264 centimeter cube. If the base radius is 6 centimeter, we have to find the height of the cone, taking the pi to be 22 divided by 7. Let's make a sketch of our cone. We know a cone, the base radius is here, then the height is here. What is the relationship between the volume, the radius, and the height? We know volume of a cone is going to be 1/3 the base area. What is the area of the base? That is pi r squared times the height. That is the relationship between volume, height, and the radius of a cone. So if that is the case, we can rewrite this as V equals to 1/3, right? So it could be pi r squared h divided by 3. So this is a fraction. So let's multiply through by the 3, making it become 3V equals to pi r squared h. We are looking for the height. So we make the height a subject, meaning the height will become 3V divided by pi r squared. So where our V is 264, our R is what? 6. They are in their usual unit as well. So we can substitute from here and realize that your height will be equals to 3 times 264 divided by 22 on 7 times 6 times 6. So in this case, we know 3 will be going into this. That will be 2 times. 2 times this will give you 12. 12 can also go into this. 22 times. 22 will go here. By cancellation, 7 will go up. So this will mean that this becomes 7 centimeters. So the height is 7 centimeters. You can as well put it in a calculator and find the 7 as well if you want to. So the solution we are looking for will be C, 7 centimeters. And I guess you follow through from the beginning to the end. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section for us to get interactive. Like, share, and subscribe.